We just recently installed this AC in our camper. We've been enjoying it, and here are some cool features about it. First off, the sleek design on the inside and on the outside. It's really low profile, doesn't stick out too much, and it's not bulky.
This is a dual vent AC. It has two vents on both sides. Has 10,000 BTU, so it cools down the camper pretty quick. Another cool thing about it, it's very quiet. You can barely hear it working. No rattling. It works nice and smooth. So here's a control panel. You got power, you got fan speeds, you got temperature, up and down. Here are different modes here. Has the AC mode, has the eco mode, has a sleep mode, which actually brings the fan down lower so it works a little quieter. Then it has the turbo boost mode. The fan speeds up pretty hard. It also has a heating mode, which you can put an auxiliary heat in there, which we do not have with this unit, but you can actually put an auxiliary heat into this so it could recognize that. This is the remote. Also basically has all the settings here. Power, you got the up and down temperature, you got the fan speeds, you got the mode. Here's the eco mode. Cooling, heating for the auxiliary heat if you want to add that on. It has all the other heat here. The turbo, this is the auxiliary heat as well. This is the sleep mode. To switch this from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you have to turn it off, press the mode and the down button, short press, and it will switch that on after you power it on. Pretty handy to have this, so you can turn it on anywhere from the camper. You can switch the modes, the fan speeds. You don't have to come up to the unit to switch it.
So this next clip is going to be of the AC on the highest fan speed setting. As you can see, it's pretty quiet on the highest speed setting, and the night mode is great because it won't be disrupting your sleep. Here are the dual vents that cool down the camper fast and evenly. Prior to installing, make sure you read the manual thoroughly because a lot of things are written but not shown. If you're replacing from an old AC to this one, the installation should be pretty easy. This is a 12-volt system, which would be great to be used on a camper van or a camper bus, so you could use a camper battery. I used a AC to DC converter to install in my camper. Overall, it's a great product, highly recommended. We're really happy and satisfied with it.